Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Clipboard channel. This is useful in cases where a CMS can't be integrated easily with StoryChief. In the dashboard, open the menu and go to Integrations. Here, scroll to the Clipboard channel in the Personal Websites section. Our workspace already has an integration, but easily create one via Add New Destination. Fill in the base URL for blog articles and a preferred display name. Finish by clicking Save Settings. In an article, make sure to fill in all the content in the right tab. In the settings, add a featured image and relevant information, such as categories, the author, SEO description, and the slug. In the Audience tab, choose to activate the Clipboard channel and click Transfer Article, which opens a new tab where you can easily copy all the separate fields. The content is in HTML format to make sure no formatting gets lost. Notice the script at the end that allows tracking of readers. After publishing the article on the website itself, go back to StoryChief and update the link if needed by using the Edit button, pasting the correct link, and clicking Save. That way, you're sure that the article is live. Don't forget to set the Clipboard as your primary channel. Finish by clicking on Publish, confirm the channel choice, and there we go. If you want, you can now use an article as base for emails, social posts, etc., because it links back to the existing article on the website. Go check out how to use the Clipboard channel and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.